Why was China's mobile phones and cameras banned in America? Hello friends. Welcome to our channel the techytube. Thank you so much you are watching my video. Please subscribe, like, share and comments. Washington, the United States has banned the use of Chinese telecom equipment, mobile phones and CCTV cameras in view of national security. According to the details, the Telecommunications Regulatory Authority of the United States has banned the use of the products of Chinese companies Huawei, ZTE, and surveillance camera companies Hikvision and Dahua as part of the alleged spying and security measures through Chinese telecommunications and video surveillance equipment. According to a foreign news agency report, the move by U.S. officials comes after concerns raised about possible spying by Beijing and a law passed by Congress last year. In this regard, the U.S. telecom regulator Federal Communications Commission has said that there will be a ban on devices manufactured by Huawei Technologies and ZTE Corporation, both of which were already under U.S. sanctions during the presidency of Donald Trump. The new rules will also apply to Hikvision and Dahua, which manufacture video surveillance cameras installed around the world but have raised privacy concerns. Hitera, a company that makes radios used for two-way communication, has also been banned. U.S. intelligence agencies believe the companies could be forced to provide information to Beijing's security services under Chinese law, although the companies have denied this. The FCC is committed to protecting our national security and ensuring that untrusted communications devices are not allowed to be used within our borders, said FCC Chairperson Jessica Rosenversel. These new rules are an important part of our ongoing efforts to protect the American people from telecommunications-related national security threats, he added. Thank you so much you are watching my video. Please subscribe, like, share and comments. See you in the next video. The techytube.